Hello everyone, thank you for joining in this morning. Just let's double check the audio please. Please let us know if you can hear us loud and clear. We will be using the question panel on the right side of your screen. You can use this panel to send us all of your questions throughout the webinar. So can you please let us know if you can hear us. Question panel is on the right side of your screen. Thanks, Kina. Okay, now let's wait a couple of minutes for everyone to join in. We will be starting the webinar in about 2 or 3 minutes. Thank you. This is a quick reminder. This webinar will be recorded and sent to your email after the webinar. Okay, hello everyone and welcome to our webinar. I would like to welcome to Luis Lee from KOCOM, who will be our presenter for today's. Hello Luis, good morning.
Hello Miguel, good morning.
Okay, the microphone is yours, Luis. Thank you.
Okay, good morning to everyone. My name is Luis Lee from KOCOM, and I'm in charge of sales representative for Northern and Southern America, including Carib region. It's a great pleasure to have this webinar with you. And KOCOM is a company specialized in manufacturing and exporting security products such as intercoms, video door phones, and digital locks. We have been doing business with ECOM for a long time in a trustworthy relationship. And today's webinar's topic is, as you can see in the screen, why do you need a video door phone? So I will introduce the advantages and our new solutions via this webinar. So let's get started the webinar. The content of today's webinar is, as you can see on the screen. First of all, I will present what the video door phone is and what advantages it has. I will also introduce about KOCOM company and briefly introduce KOCOM's new product to be released. And after all these contents, I will have a time for Q&A for the attendees. So first of all, I will introduce what is a video door phone. Since most of you have probably dealt with security-related products for a long time, but I think you are familiar with them, and thus I will just explain them briefly. A video door phone may be the perfect tool to increase security in homes, buildings, and businesses, allowing residents or workers to see and communicate with visitors before opening the door for them. Also, an outdoor station with camera like this or like this has to be installed facing the street so that it communicates between the house and the outside. As an option for multi apartments, an audio panel can be installed in the lobby, and a guard phone in the security room is very recommended. So, in conclusion, a video door phone can only be installed for only one house, but also it is possible to install in multi apartments using the audio panels as you see on this page. So let me tell you more advantages of video door phones. First, you can call visitors to your house and decide whether to open the door or not. It's simple, but the most important thing is that it can be identified and communicated by video. So talking to strangers with only audio is not the best way for your security. Also, for the people who live in an apartment with various flats, the best advantage of video door phones is that they can install an audio panel for the whole building. That is the audio outdoor panel offer. So the audio outdoor panel offers compatibility and extension. Since the video Doorphone has many advantages like this, actually it's true that there are many manufacturers on it. Then among these video Doorphone manufacturers, I will tell you why you should choose KOCOM in the next chapter. Firstly, as you can see in this image at the left side, KOCOM has history. It is founded in 1976. So the company has provided biosecurity solutions to partners in more than 70 countries around the world, also including as well as in Korea. And we also invest in research and development constantly. In particular, as you can see in the center image, in 2022, we moved to a new office, which is called KOCOM Blue Lab. It's a totally new building equipped with very developed research and development facilities. So about more than 100 employees work here to provide the best products to our partners around the world. Products that are made in Korea really gives great satisfaction to end users thanks to its rugged and easy installed product. In the next chapter, I will explain about KOCOM's product with more details. So now I will present two models of video door phones that KOCOM offers to the market through Epcom. In the case of this model that you can see in the screen, it's basically comparable in a home with 2 monitors, 2 outdoor stations, and 2 intercoms. However, as you can see here in diagram in right side, with multi-apartment audio panel, KLPC 420, it is possible to extend up to 450 apartments. And in the center, this repeater that needs to be installed between the lobby phone and the video door phones, and it can connect up to so this one repeater can connect up to 8 video door phones. So I can say that it is a product that can be used in various ways depending on how it is installed. The product has a 7-inch monitor this video Doorphone, and you can adjust the settings by touching the right side of the monitor. And there are black and white colors, and you can choose the outdoor stations between several models according to the preference of the consumer. So we have here like this type, this type, this type. This type is kind of surface type, and this type is kind of mounted type. So let me pass to the next chapter. So as I mentioned, the Doorphone has 7-inch screen, and you can see here not only the more special specifications of the Doorphones, but also audio panel compatible with this phone. In case of this one, KLPC for 120, which is the audio door panel for Doorphone, you can so for entrance you can use a password on and also RF cards for entrance. You can see briefly the specifications of each device. We offer AC or DC type for video Doorphones. Obviously, each hands-free type, and the connection between outdoor station is via 4-wire. And yeah, you can see here the dimension. So you can imagine how is the size of the product. Also, as I mentioned, there are many options for camera connection, such as each models. And this is the specification of the Lobbyphone KLP series. And I have another model to introduce today, which is the KCB S701EB. This model that you can see on this page is a little simpler, but it's an economic product with respect to each price, and it can be easily connected up to 3 monitors and 2 outdoor stations. Actually, a next generation model with a longer range and better camera quality will be released this year, and it can be purchased through Epcom. However, even if a new model is released, this model will not be discontinued immediately because it is a model that has been used and loved on the market for a long time, and it's the most simple but excellent model, which can be said to be a standard video Doorphone. Basically, it is samely each 4-wire Doorphone, and we have AC or DC type, so you can use it as per the demand in your country. Also, you can see here the specifications of the video Doorphone and about the audio Doorphone panel compatible with this video phone. In case of KBL series here in below, which is the audio panel for video Doorphone KCBS 701EB, the entrance method is very simple. By using just each one touch button from 2 and 8 buttons. And you can extend this panel up to 30 houses because we also have this kind of panel only for extension. So you can extend up to 40 houses. And the entrance is more simpler than the previous Doorphone, although the limit is smaller than the one. In addition to the 7-inch analog video Doorphones explained so far, KOCOM has plans to launch several new products. Of course, the two 7-inch video phones models I've introduced today will continue to be supplied via Epcom. So for the detailed features, performance, and pricing of the new 7-inch analog video phone, please contact to Epcom. In today's webinar, I'll provide you more information about IP video Doorphones, which are also essential for these days that actually everything is connected via cloud and applications. As you can see, Qualcomm's new IP video Doorphone comes in two colors, white and black, and supports touch screen operation and application interlocking. It is divided into two products according to the connection method. So the first one is PoE method using PoE switch and LAN cable. And the second one is Wi-Fi method using two wires and Wi-Fi. And this IP video phone explained on the previous page is linked with a smartphone app called KOCOM. It's totally free and you can already download it from Google Play or App Store. And it works with various home IT products, as you can see here, like magnetic detectors, sensors, and home cameras, etc. So basically, as long as the smartphone app and the internet are connected, you can control the monitor and all the linked products, even when you are outside. That's the most important thing. As the last chapter of today's webinar, please check the comparative table of the two models. I've mentioned that there are two models like PoE and Wi-Fi, and these two models are same in each extension. I mean, it can be installed up to 4 monitors in 2 outdoor stations. And it has same outdoor station, although each model lanes are different, but it's totally same in regard to its camera resolution and design. And the power source in case of PoE is from PoE switch, and the Wi-Fi, you can choose AC or DC, but you only need to put the power only to the main monitor. And from main monitor, you can from the main this main monitor put all the power to another 3 monitors. So you are you don't have to connect apart power from these sub monitors. And the smartphone application is called KOCOM Home. It's 7 inches, totally touchable screen. We have white or black colors. And obviously the internal calls between 4 monitors are possible. And this PoE type supports connection with CCTVs up to. You can use like Vision or Dawa brands with our brand system. In case of Wi-Fi, is not possible to offer this solution. And we have more functions like auto still image capture. This function is like if you set your video door phone like absent mode, and if someone is if there is some visitors when you're outside, the monitor captures automatically who came to your house. And we also have always in display mode, so you can check the time and date by seeing this monitor screen. Also monitoring outside via app. I mean, you can monitor the outside situation via your application or your video door phones. So it was yes. So it is the brief resume of new IP video phones so far. And as the last page, we have Instagram channel and YouTube channel. Here you can see we are actually uploading every week an Instagram channel with our new products and more information. So it will be highly appreciated. You can add our channel KOCOM Global here YouTube. So thank you for your attention so far, and let me have a Q&A time for all you. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Luis. We don't have any questions. Let's wait just a couple of minutes to see if we receive a question, okay?
Okay.
Please let us know about your next project. We have a support team at TechCom, with KOCOM, of course, ready to help you.
Mhm.
Thank you everyone for your time this morning. As we mentioned, this webinar will be sent to your email. Please keep checking our website and social media for more information on our weekly webinars. Thanks again for your time this morning. Luis,
Yes. Thank you for everyone.
and have a great day, all clients. See you on your next webinar. Thank you, Luis.
Thank you, Miguel. Okay. Have a nice day or two.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.